Okay, Tommy? We're here. This is the Jetsons cash register. It's all automated.
Here it is.
Here, Mommy, you hold it and take her a little.
Okay.
You can take a seat.
You guys are. They're going to take the money, put the card in the thing, and pay the bill. Okay. I don't know how it works, but I guess they do. Here it is. Okay, guys. Go ahead, guys.
Start. Here we go.
Tommy.
You gotta do this, Tommy.
Very good. Very good. First time. Scan that baby.
598. Siferdine 17 count. Oh, we got two of them. That's the first bag. And we'll put the masonry on. They're $4.92 each, Mom.
Oh, that's a good price. Yeah.
Yeah, I said about $5.
There'll probably be more over at
Yes, they will.
Glue sticks?
Home Depot will charge you more.
Yeah.
You want these hair clips?
Yeah. No, I don't want a hair clip.
Alright, and the last two items to scan.
The
You
detergent.
know what you could have done, Ricky? You could have swiped that twice and you wouldn't have had to do that one.
Umbrella right.
You could have swiped that one, you had your hand twice.
$39.82, Mom.
Oh boy. Okay.
$8.16 for the detergent.
Okay.
For the car. $12 for the cold pen.
All right.
Finishing pay.
Yes.
Select payment type. You know these, Tom.
Checking.
Credit card, right?
Well, bank card, checking account. Is he doing it right?
Yeah. $9.82. Would you like cash back?
No. Heck no, my bank account's gonna get low as it is.
It's over.
Okay, there you go. There you go. And there's the merchandise.
Tommy, here you go. I'll let you carry the heavy thing.
I wanted a candy bar. Buy me a candy bar. Something I could just